We got the daily deals. I know I just posted one for the Kobalt, but there's actually more stuff in here that is really good. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more holiday deals. Price glitches. Yes, price glitches. They do sell out in minutes, sometimes hours, depending on what the deal is. All right. So we got daily deals. We got 18 hours, 59 minutes left on this deal. This is from the Lobes. Yeah, a lot of people say that I keep saying Lobes and I Loaves. So it's just different. The microphones, guys, you gotta understand the microphones. You say something and the microphones actually, if you don't say it like precise correctly, you might hear loaves instead of loaves. So it just depends on what you hear. A lot of you keep saying that I keep saying lobes with the V, like love. All right, so we did see this. This is the free gift with purchase. This is a killer deal. I just posted at the other video in more in detail. If you want to go on this one, go and watch this one. There's a lot of tools involved on this one, guys. There's a lot of good selection for $89. That is a killer deal. I won't waste any more time on that. All right, so that we got some more deals here for the Bosch. Yes, guys, this is an 8 amp hour starter kit, an 8 amp hour battery, and you get a free tool. It dropped down to $199 from $229. That is a really good deal as well. Yeah, 8 amp hour Pro Factor battery. All right, you got the circular saw here. This is a $129 for a 7 1/4 circ saw. You got the brushless 2-tool combo kit. You got an impact driver, drill driver. I don't know if this is a hammer drill. We'll check it out right in a second. $149. That's a really good deal. Now oscillating tool for $69. Got the jigsaw for $69, and that's it for that, for this section. All right, let's go on to the other section, because if we get lost, we're not gonna go over it. $89, guys. You guys know that for Black Friday, these kits drop down to $99, basically $100. But this, for the daily deal, it drops even further down to $89. Guys, that's a really, really good deal. Jump on this one if you're thinking about getting something like this. Get it now, guys. This is a solid tool. I do own this myself. I believe I do own the atomic version, the one that they sell at the depot. And yes, I could say Home Depot because they're not paying me for this. I can say whatever I want on these videos. But yeah, I own the one that said they sell at Home Depot, and it's actually really solid. You never know you need it until you have it. And once you have it, like I said, you don't want to get rid of it because it's so good of a tool. It's actually good for the detail cutting and sanding. So keep that in mind when you're buying it. So $89 for that, for the kit basically. All right, let's go on and choose this buy one get one free. That's what most catches my attention here. All right, so buy one get one free. You do get an 8 amp hour battery. I believe this is a fast charger. It says error active system power boost mode. Oh yeah, so this is a fast charger. I don't know how fast it is, but it does have a power boost mode. So I guess when you put it on, it'll boost it until the battery heats up, and then it just goes down. That is really good thing to have a feature, because if you're running low on power, you're gonna get the most out of the first few minutes, and you get a nice boost. All right, so the free gift with purchase. The first one's a 7 1/4 circular saw, as we did see on the other side. So that is the toolkit, and that is the 7 1/4 circular saw. Next one down, guys. I do have this thing. This thing is a beast. I believe I already have a comparison video on this. But yeah, guys, this thing is a beast for $199. It's a hammer drill. It includes all sorts of newer technology, even newer than some of the other drills out there. Class leading. Impact wrench, guys. What? Yes, a high torque impact wrench. That's crazy, guys. $199 for the whole thing. That's a really good deal for a 1/2 inch impact wrench. You got the bandsaw. Of course, it's out of stock. You do have to find it. If you want to get the bandsaw, you do have to find it in stock at a store. Otherwise, they're not going to honor it. And yes, guys, the Profector 7¼ sliding miter saw is available for this deal, which is a killer deal if you tell me about it. For $200, that's a really good deal. Got the brushless cordless reciprocating saw. Yeah, good deal on that one. So it expires. The whole deal, the buy one get one free, expires the 22 of January, right? 2025. But the pricing expires today. So it will go back up to that $225 or $229. What is it? Let me check it out right here. $229 today. So if you don't buy it today, it's gonna go back up. Anyways, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. They might be affiliate links. Keep that in mind. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.